In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Bluetooth. Now use gray switcher at the top right corner to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you wish to connect to. Tap on this icon next to allow access to contacts and call logs to enable or disable this option and select Pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this icon right next to your device and hit Unpair under device name. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!